See, if you want to find numbers or if you want to form a number, you should use the support of 10 numbers. Whenever they ask you a number, first you fill units plus, then you fill the remaining. What is NCR? Selecting R things from N things. Welcome to the session, dear students. So in today's session, I'll go ahead with problems of permutation and combinations. So now we'll go ahead with exercise 7.3. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1 to 9? Using the digits 1 to 9, how many 3-digit numbers they want? And they're told if no digit is repeated. If no digit is repeated. So we use fundamental principle of counting. First I'll write 3-digit number. 3-digit number means what? 3 boxes. Units place, tens place, hundreds place. And they are using the numbers from 1 to 9. 1 to 9 we have 9 numbers. So in the first box you can fill in 9 ways. So we have numbers from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers. Any one you can fill. Any one you will fill. So 9 ways are there. I can fill 1 or I can fill 2 or I can, like that. How many ways are there? 9 ways are there. Filling the first box. And second box, after I fill any one, I'll have remaining 8 ways. Then after I fill 2, I have 7 different ways. So 7 different ways. So total number of 3-digit numbers. So number of 3-digit numbers without repetition. Number of 3-digit numbers without repeating. With no digit repeated, is equal to 9 into 8 into 7. So multiply this, you'll get the required value. So here 3-digit numbers they want, so I put 3 boxes. 1 to 9, 9 numbers are there. First box can be filled in 9 ways, second box can be filled in 8 ways, third box can be filled in 7 ways. So now multiply this 3, you'll get the required value. 8 9s are 72 into what? 7. 7 2s are 14, 1. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 1, 50. 504. So therefore total how many numbers you can form? 504 numbers you can form. So what is the logic here? So first box can be filled in 9 ways. Means you can fill 1 or you can fill 2 or you can fill 3. Like that 9 ways you can fill the first box. Second box can be filled in any one after you fill, we should not repeat. So 8 ways are there. Third box will be filled in 7 ways. Fundamental principle of counting. So 9 into 8 into 7. That gives you how much? 504. So 504 ways or 504 different numbers without repeating the digits can be formed. Next, how many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? So how many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? See, 4-digit numbers. See, if you want to find numbers or if you want to form a number, you should use the support of 10 numbers. What are the 10 numbers? So numbers, so 4-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers can be formed, using what? 10 numbers can be formed using, to form any number 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2 till what? 9. You have to use any one of the digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. That's a total 10 numbers are there. So 4-digit numbers. 4-digit number means I'll put 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number. How many 4-digit numbers with no digit repeated? See, so we have 4 boxes, 4 digits. First place I can fill in 10 ways. I cannot fill in 10 ways because 0 cannot come in first place. I have 10 numbers. So if you want to form any number, you have to form using what? 10 numbers. So using what? 10 numbers. Using 4-digit numbers can be formed using digits from 0 to 9. So you can make a 0 to 9. 0 to 9 we have 10 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 to 9, 9 numbers. Include 0, 10 numbers are there. So first box I can fill only 9 ways. Because in first box you cannot fill 0. So we have numbers. What are the numbers in math? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the digits which you can take the support to form a number. But first box you cannot fill 0. If I fill 0, it will become 3-digit number. So first box I can fill from 1 to 9 any number. So 9 ways are there. After I fill any one number, say I filled any one number, cut one number from the 9 numbers. So now we have 8 numbers and 0 is also there. So now I can, in second place I can fill 0. So total again we have, including 0, after you remove one number, still you have 9 numbers. Second box can be filled in 9 ways. So any one number you will fill. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 8 ways. After you fill any one number, here you have 7 ways. So therefore, number of 4-digit numbers without repeating digits, numbers with no digit repeated, is equal to 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. So 9 9s are 81 into 8 into 7, 56. Now you multiply this, you will get a number, that is 4,536 different 4-digit numbers you can form. So now we are done with what? Number of 4-digit numbers. How many 4-digit numbers you can form? So first place you can fill in 9 ways, though there are 10 numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, you have till 9 we have 10 numbers. Out of 10 numbers I cannot fill this 0, so first box can be filled in 9 ways. After you fill any one number, again second box can be filled in 9 ways. After you fill any one number, third box can be filled in, you can include 0, 8 ways, 7 ways, 9 into 8 into 7. Important. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed, can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. They gave the numbers. Using these numbers, they wanted to form 3-digit, not only 3-digit even numbers. And they told no digit is repeated. If you want even number, 3-digit number means what? Put 3 boxes. So 3-digit number, put 3 boxes. Even number means, see, if they mention even number, first you fill the units place, this place. So out of, they gave digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So out of this, the units place you can fill only even number. You can fill 2, 4, 6. So here this units place box can be filled in only 3 ways. Why you can fill this in 3 ways? Because if you want even number, the number should end with even number. 3-digit even number is possible if it ends with even number. It means out of given numbers 2, 4, 6 you can fill. Now you come to the first box. Now you have filled any one I have filled. So now you start from the beginning. Now the first box can be filled in. 1 is over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. So now any one you will fill. So cut one more. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So second box can be filled in 4 ways. Now the total number of ways is 5 into 4 into 3. If they ask even number, first you should fill units place. Then only you should fill the remaining. If you do in reverse order, you will get a wrong answer. So now first, what is the conclusion? Number of 3-digit even number, with no digit repeated, is equal to, what is the answer? 5 into, first box can be filled in 5 ways, second box can be filled in 4 ways, third box can be filled in 3 ways. 5 4s are 20, 23 is 60. So 60 different 3-digit even numbers are possible. How many even numbers are possible? 60 even numbers. What are the rules? They should be even, they should be 3-digit, and no digit should be repeated. So we'll get 3-digit even numbers without repetition of digits, that is 60 different numbers. Next, Find the number of 4-digit numbers. They want 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits. So they gave digits also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to use this digit. And they told if no digit is repeated, 4-digit number, no digit repeated, and you have to use this number. And how many of this will be even? Second part of the question, how many will be even? First part, how many 4 digits can be formed? Second part, how many will be even? So both will solve separately. So now 4-digit number, I am solving the first part. 4-digit number means put 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, 5 digits are there. First box you can fill in 5 ways. I can fill 1, or I can fill 2, or I can fill 3, or I can fill 4, or I can fill 5. 5 ways are there to fill the first box. So they told no digit repeated. No digit repeated means after you fill any one, we'll have 4 left out, so 4 ways. Next, after you fill any one, we have 3 left out, 3 ways. After you fill any one, we are 2 left out, so 2 ways. So number of 4-digit numbers. The first part I am answering. First part, number of 4-digit numbers. Number of 4-digit numbers. Number of 4-digit numbers is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. So 120 4-digit numbers you can form. How many 4-digit numbers you can form? 120. And the second part, how many of this will be even? So second part, how many of this will be even? Now I'll go to the second part, even. Again I'll take 4-digit numbers. So I told you, if you want even, first you fill the units place. This is units place. So 4-digit number. So here they have given the digits. What are the digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using this digits you have to fill. See here even numbers means 2 and 4. So the last box you can fill the units place only in either you can fill 2 or 4, then it will become even. So only 2 ways are there to fill the last box. So now out of 2, any one you will fill. Any one you will fill. How many are remaining? 1, 3, 4, 5. We have 4 numbers remaining. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are remaining. So first box you can fill in 4 ways. After you fill any one, second box can be filled in 3 ways. After you fill any one, third box can be filled in 2 ways. So now multiply 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24, 2s are 48. Therefore, number of 4-digit even numbers. Number of even numbers. Number of even numbers is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24, 2s are 48. My dear students, very important. First you should fill the units place. When they ask even, first you should fill this place. So this place we have 2 possibilities. Either you can fill 2 or you can fill 4. Only 2 possibilities are there. So that's why this is 2 ways. Then after you fill any one, cut that and you will have 1, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 3, 4, 5. We have 4 ways. So then this is 4 ways. After you fill any one, 3 ways. After you fill any one, 2 ways. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. That is 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24, 2s are 48 different numbers you can form. I hope all of you understood. Whenever they ask even number, first you fill units plus, then you fill the remaining. Next. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways? There are 8 people. In how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman? 8 people are there, you have to choose a chairman, 1 person as chairman, 1 person as vice chairman. Assuming 1 person cannot hold more than 1 position. Means, if 1 person is chairman, he cannot become vice chairman. Means 1 person cannot hold more than 1 position. That is the rule. So this is a concept of combination. So this is a concept of what? Combination. So remember, combination means selection. Combination means what? Selection. So I told you, I am repeating, combination means selection. So first you should know NCR. What is meant by NCR? Selecting R things from N things. What is NCR? Selecting R things from N things. NCR means, this is very important, make a note of it. Selecting R things from N things. Selecting R things from what? N things. So NCR, if of n items, from n items I can select r items using the formula NCR. So same logic will use. So now combination or selection, one and the same. So from a committee of 8 persons, total I have 8 people. So you have to select a chairman. You have to selecting a chairman. Chairman. A chairman is one person. From how many people? From 8 people is 8C1. What is 8C1? 8. 8C1 means 8 you expand one time divided by 1 factorial. That's it. And then after that you have to select vice chairman. See, out of 8, 1 you already selected. So now after selecting that, so please understand, after selecting a chairman, here you should understand, after selecting a chairman, number of ways of selecting vice chairman. Number of ways of selecting vice chairman. See, all of you know, we had 8 people. We had how many people? 8 people. Out of 8, you selected 1. You selected 1. Remaining how many are there? So I have only left out with 7 people. In 7 people, I should select 1. Already 1 you selected. The same person you cannot repeat, because one person cannot hold more than one position, they told. If you select one person as chairman, he cannot act as vice chairman. So you already selected 1. Out of 8, 1 is gone. So we have 7 people. In that 7, you should select only 1 more. 7C1. 7C1 is what? 7. So number of ways of selecting chairman, 8 ways. Number of ways of selecting vice chairman, 7 ways. Total number of ways is product of these two. So total number of ways is total. How many ways you can do? Total number of ways. Total number of ways is simple. Is equal to 8 into 7. 8 7s are 56. 56 ways are there. This is a long procedure I showed. Same problem. I can also simplify and do like this. Same problem. So out of 8 people, I can select 1 as chairman. Remaining I have 7 people. From 7 people, I have to select 1 more. 7C1. This is the answer. 8C1 is 8. 7C1 is 7. 56. But why I wrote so much of script? To make you understand. I wrote the description for this. In board exam, if it is entrance, you do like this. But in board exam, this is not sufficient. So in board exam, what you should do? In board exam, you should start like this. Number of ways of selecting. Number of ways of selecting what? Selecting chairman. Selecting a chairman. Number of ways of selecting chairman is equal to, out of 8 people, selecting 1 can be done is 8C1, 8 ways. And number of ways of selecting a vice chairman. Please understand here, already you selected 1. Out of 8 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, you selected any 1. So you remove 1, you have 7 people. From 7 people, select 1, 7 ways. So therefore, total number of ways. Is equal to 8C1 into 7C1, that is 8 into 7, that is 56. Please understand, these steps are required for your board exam. Now, find n. If n minus 1 P3 is to n P4 is 1 is to 9. They wanted to find n. So given, whatever is given, I'll write as it is. Given n minus 1 P3 is 2 means divided by n P4 is equal to 1 is to 9 means 1 by 9. So now n minus 1 P3 means 3 terms I should expand. So I should expand 3 terms. So it will become n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 terms divided by np4 means from n 4 terms, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. 4 terms, starting from n 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, you stop it, is equal to what? 1 by 9. Now simplify or cancel the like terms. So I can cancel n minus 1, n minus 1, I can cancel n minus 2, n minus 2, I can cancel n minus 3, n minus 3. Whatever is left out, write it. What is left out? 1 by n is equal to 1 by 9, cross multiply. So 9 into 1 is 9 is equal to n into 1 is n. Therefore, you got n is equal to 9. What is the basic? Basic is NPR. So NPR shortcut if you know enough. See, dear students, if I talk about 8P3, start from 8, decrease 1, 1, 1, 8, 7, 6, stop it, 3 terms. Like that, NP4 means start from n, decrease 1, 1, 1, 4 times. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Because I should take only 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Why? Because they told 4. Is 2 means what? Divided by. 1 is 2, 9 means 1 by 9. N minus 1 P3 means from n minus 1 take 3 terms, decreasing 1 each. N minus 1, then n minus 2, then n minus 3. 3 terms, stop it because P3 is there. NP4 means start from n, take 4 terms. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. That's it. So if you know what is NPR, or if you know how to write NPR, it is faster and easier. So now today's class I started with permutation, forming 3-digit numbers without repetition, and forming 4-digit numbers without repetition, and forming even numbers. I told you, even number means first fill units place, then you go to the remaining places. Then we have done this kind of problems from the exercise 7.3. Sit and practice other problems. In my next session, I'll complete the remaining problems also. So what I expect from you is practice. So practice all the type of problems and become thorough. So by this, I'm ending the session. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.